Hey everyone, let's have a quick Gua Sha routine. Before you start, don't forget to use your facial oil or moisturizer. Now we go up to the sides of our mouth and the jowls area. With this side of your Gua Sha, move upwards from your chin to the sides of your nose. While you are moving upwards, hold your mouth in an O position. Keep doing this for 10 times on each side. This move will reduce wrinkles around the mouth, like marionette lines and smile lines. It will also work on the mouth muscles and help the lips to get plumper. By boosting blood circulation, it will also lift the sagging jowls and skin. Now we're gonna move to the cheeks area for lifting this area and also lifting the lip corners. For this move, we're gonna go with this side of the Gua Sha, put it on the lip corners, and then move upwards, vibrating with your Gua Sha. We're gonna do this move for 5 times on each side. Going to the other side. Don't forget to move smoothly and be gentle on the skin. This exercise will lift the sagging jowls and lip corners. By boosting blood circulation, it will promote collagen production and give you a glowing skin. Next move is to lift the face overall and the cheeks. Also, it will sculpt the cheekbones. With this side of your Gua Sha, put it on the smile lines area, then start to lift upwards, smoothly and slowly. Your pressure should be medium on the skin. Do this for 5 times on each side. Five. Then go to the other side. This exercise will also reduce the smile lines by lifting and unfolding them. 4 and 5. This was it for today's quick routine. Hope you enjoyed it and it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and share this video with anyone that you think might need this. See you in next video.